What is the meaning of the craic in Irish culture? Imagine walking into a lively pub in Ireland, the air filled with music, laughter, and friendly chatter. You might hear someone ask, "What's the craic?" It's a phrase that captures the heart of Irish social life. In Ireland, the craic means more than just fun. It's about the joy of being with good company, sharing stories, singing songs, and enjoying the moment together. It's the feeling of a lively gathering where everyone is involved and having a good time. The word craic sounds like crack, and it originally came from the English word crack, which meant a sharp noise or lively talk. Over time in Ireland, it shifted to describe positive social experiences. You'll hear it used often in pubs, at festivals, and during traditional Irish music sessions. These music sessions are perfect examples of the craic in action. Musicians and listeners come together, playing tunes, telling stories, and laughing. It's a shared experience that creates a warm, spirited atmosphere. People often ask, "What's the craic?" as a way to say, "How are you?" or "What's happening?" It's a friendly greeting that invites conversation and connection. The level of craic can vary from good craic, meaning a decent amount of fun, to the craic was 90, which means an unforgettable night. If someone says minus craic, it means the gathering was dull or not enjoyable. Understanding the idea of craic is key to experiencing Irish culture fully. When you visit Ireland, joining in on traditional music sessions, chatting with locals in pubs, and being open to spontaneous social moments will give you a real taste of the spirit behind the word. It's about community, warmth, and sharing good times. So, next time you hear someone ask about the craic, remember it's more than just fun, it's the soul of Irish social life.